A world dog scam 4,000 US dollar and almost get himself killed. Not just himself but also the artist, Squash Man. How Squash get involved in this now, my people? We are going to talk about that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching the channel. Make sure you smash up the like button, make the video run up to 1,000 likes quick and fast. And don't forget to share up the video, make the video reach out past some other platform, because people would have to talk about some serious thing as you can hear the intro of this video and see the title, my people. Yeah man. So I select pay World Dog and money, my people. And the money when pay World Dog was 4,000 USD. And the money there I forget some dub plate from the artist, which is Squash. Now, we know say World Dog and Squash close in a them time there when this take place. I tore them apart. So the man, the selector, where want the dub plate them from Squash. Basically, him no Squash like that. A World Dog a female link. So him give World Dog a money and tell World Dog say, yo, chat to the artist, make the artist know say me I want such and such dub. Yeah man. So the deposit, make and everything, World Dog receive 4,000 US for the man cut him two dub plate them. For Squash cut the two dub plate them for the man, my people. World Dog take the money and not tell Squash nothing. And not make the man get him dub plate them. Now the man reach out to World Dog. I be a badness the man deal with the man bad up World Dog. And as I said, this could even get the artist killed because this is something happen. This is something happen like months before the artist get locked up. So of course people could have seen the artist out there and lick down the artist is something what him do even know about. Because the man make it clear, say, yo, what's your style? Yo, me's a selector, you know, I'm think tough in the street, you know. Remember, you know, from your home, me have you walk and I look out to your like people, the man about up Pearl Dog. And me have the video clip right here, so some not go do much talking. As I say, make sure say, no smash up the like with my fan now before we jump into that exclusive of my people. Share up the video and check out this.
That after me body him up, I'm say me a record this time.
I talk to you, G. Yo, no man, I'm money me a deal, man. Me no talking. I try to show you. So you go have my money because we have the place governed. So what you want say? Me I get my money. That me ask. So where you say I go on? Yeah, me G. You say I fall for your money, me G. Just fall, you know. You notice all now, me just defend myself. You notice all now, me no disrespect you with you. Me no disrespect you, but you're pretty no, but you're pretty listen, me tell you. Me tell you, Mr. Saying, I listen to this argument. Me not put, you feel like me no need to put no badness to you, but no, if you defend my money, me I make you know straight up what time it is, because I hear this style and no. Me not supposed to call and either. Remember good in a man. When I set on my food, you know, me never did a hitch. When you go to my advice, all this song for me, me send you money. Yo, you notice, me not even set you say, yo, take off area fight, but just pay your money because that's so for badness stay. See? When me go to my send you all of them the money, then I want thing and you fi do it right. You said to me say, yo, then we hold on pan the G, rare, this and that. When you free up, see? Me say, yeah man, no problem. But they are wait. For me, they are wait. Whole time, me nah hear nothing what happen. When me I call you nah answer. But look me see up on the media, me I say, no man, you take a thing for some joke business. Me I tell you. Yeah. But me I say to you, say, you say no food for dub plate. For me, me no owe you no song. I'm gonna show you a pre. And you see, what me no like.
Stop it.
In a minute.
Stop it to me.
So me just make. You govern the place, me G. I'm afraid to come here. I'm afraid because never have no name to come here. But true.
Black Widow.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What does he mean when he say him not owe you nothing? What mean that so? Me hear him say, me not owe you nothing, me
Because
queen.
a squash get the money. Right, because him say, look at him now. Because him a say a squash me feel link. Because a squash get the money. So I hit no weird on the device, don't me say, me can't link squash and you me give me money. Remember, say me explain that to you know, that weird on the device don't to you know, because what him a say is a squash get the money, so he's supposed to do a job. And me I say to him, say, me not supposed to call squash because me never send squash no money. So when him attack, say, well, you know, when him attack, say, hold on, let me see.
Little son bar now. I'm going to come Christine and come pick up my next son down. I say, we need to link with Blackwood, because I know me not disrespect all you tell me say you govern the world and
No, man. Listen up. No, then yeah, everybody can defend themselves, Papa. That me I try to tell you, every single soul. Everybody in a them time, yeah. That's why me I try to show you say yo, certain things where you the meds me not depend but that does my money me I defend because again.
No, I'm telling you when I go deep.
Yeah.
I'm telling you when I go deep, I say, me have to watch me head back where you owe money.
No, because listen this and I'm sure this a prayer now. That me I try to show you say. Listen good man, listen this and
whenever hear me name in a money situation.
yo, listen good on that me want to show you say no. Listen this is argument. When me I say no man, the youth I really take the thing for joke thing. Me ask about you in a place here and I say yo that the man they ever in a money tanglings with man and sit and me I say yo I'm a cute no just run me food man cause you pray no. Me even said to you say but me sure me even for sure say man all a pray different. Me say yo you link the man and vice the song them make him money good just vice song. Me say yo you link the man you tell me for link him man. So me link squash I tell me brawling say yo he say yo we don't me tell you this me no get no money from World Dog. You know my phone, me have them on my phone. If me no get no money from World Dog, he say yo see he remember the one song when in the voice Ambala you run the food. I remember when me run that the food and you do what you do. Quick and fast. That's why man never hit you send on the money. You see me I say man never hit you send on the money and then say yo me I link you me nah you nah take no you nah make back down link and you know Ricky too. Me see all squash to bumbo clot. After when you say any man not to link. So me say you know say look you that take me thing for some pussy whole thing. I mean y'all tell me when I time to go up on media. Yo we not do anything there pa. Me hardly go up on the blood clot media for sure you. I don't feel thing them there. I don't mind thing them the general. No, you know, listen to me. I ask you one question and you can't answer me. Listen to this argument. Me and you that do business, see? Me and you that do business. And then bam now. No, listen, you talk about half. I mean half and my money me the different. Me continue to tell you because you the straight from the whole thing is this. Me ask you one question and tell me if me wrong. Say for example, you want book the sound, see?
Yeah.
And then when you go to Bama send your money to me, say yo, you know what? Deal with Black Widow them over some. Me I talk about me as the man with the on the side, see? And then when I check out, you can't get no son. Who you supposed to go to? The man who you send the money, man. Me not supposed to call squash. Remember say how me get listen.
But I go about things now. Black Widow, me now. With Black Widow, hear me ask me, G. I hear my father.
Yeah.
I hear me, G. Me now, I go back and forth with you.
Right.
What me I go do? We are going to solve with my father. Me I go call you Wednesday, man. You see me, G? Yeah.
Again,
I call you Wednesday, man.
like me say, as me say, straight up me and tell you exactly as it is. I just my money me I defend. Yeah, tell us straight up, I just my money me and defend. Because I hear the pre now. Let me show you my stay. Because I like say we broke and hungry. Let me tell you straight up, we're not broke and hungry. Me can't deal with the system way, me can't deal with the bad way. But me I tell you say I just my money me they deal with pa. I mean me not come to about no badness this and that because we not preach the thing that we just do what we have to do.
That's true.
Yeah. Me I tell you honest truth. Because I hear the pre now.
I tell you, say we just left it alone, my God.
You see me I say? You say, oh, you're the man, You and the man now link up and me look to Bumbuckler. Me see, you do one live and the whole on. After me be I say, yo, then the real dog and 6 that they may say, yo, watch out. They must be good again. Me never tell nobody say any man no good neither. How you show me. You see me I say, and if one man rate you so and say, yo, you and my virgin rare this and that, and you go sabam no, yo, me no money thing going on, because you the pre now, no. What money we in your hand to deal with certain things.
That's you know why me I do this.
Yeah.
I'm going to be straight with you. Why me I do this?
Yeah.
You have to be straightforward with you. Why me I do this?
Yeah.
Because as a dog, I come to you and show you a prayer, and me, you're stealing on me eye every blood clot day, my G. That's why me I do it. Me I be straightforward with you now. I know you're going to make a move. Every day I'm me. So me say, yo, you know what? All right then, my sister, all right then, me look like a weakling then. Because I'm me. You know
Stop
what?
it. Stop it. Stop it.
All right.
When mean this up? I know you're gonna make a move. Why
Yeah,
am what
because
does it mean?
Because here must say no. He must say to me say, since as me bad, so you see. He might tell me so me no make man go page squash. So me say to him say no, me no depend that because many man never there do business from day one.
Black could you know why me I do this? Black could you know why me I do this? I know me no make a move. That's what that mean?
Yeah, then I hit because that's why me I tell her say because and then me I turn to him and say to him, say man, how me if you go link a man and me never send the man no money. Because I mean, know if you no can understand. See? Me mind alright, so for example, you have one sister, right? And then me send your sister some money to deal with some transaction with you. And me can't get what me need from you, Miss Blinger. Saying, your sister, me supposed to link about my money because of she me send my money. Me not have no right to link you. Even if me talk to you, me can just what I call explain a few things to you, but me cannot demand anything from you.
Back with me slow enough, but me is a person when me really sit down and try to understand. What he mean when him say, I know Black Widow no make no, I know you no make a move. What mean? Badness with that? What?
Because he must say to me, say, listen good again. Me just make sure say, me explain it back to you. Him say, since him alone, me de put badness too. Why me not send 2 man go page squash? Cause he must say, yo, me a squash now and deal, right now, and I will heap a man money if you pay back and he sitting there. Right, and I said to him, I turn to him and say, man, let me tell you this. Me ask question and do no business, and because me mentioned it before.
Okay, we get it now. I want you played squash instead of him, yeah.
If you call me 2 times and don't get me, G, you send voice note and send. Like, you get corrupt.
No, man, boy, you listen good on. You know, not call me. Me actually sitting. Yo, let me tell you, me know say, yo, yeah, move different. Yo, you know, say, man, you just start link and me call up on the phone and there with you. If me call up today and I get your call back the next day. I saw you used to deal with the thing. You there on live, see me and me check in. Hold on, man. You there on live, see me and me check in and you say, boy, we don't send cross sitting there, me they do it. I saw it. Then me I say, no, man, this a youth that just change, son, and it's a different way youth are made. Because here, listen what me they say to you, say. You see, if you when I go sabam now, yo, me know say I squash the link up. Me know that. See, me a couple of artists they link to. And yo, me see me go sabam, I get money for man from Blood Clot, California to same way. We want up plate, same way. For artists so me used to where they are in food where me they are Spanish town. See? And waiting happen. Bam, me have the food same way and me even run it back. And waiting happen. Me go so my link artist and say, yo, send me 2 songs now. For the sound and rare this and that now. And waiting happen. Remember, you know, me get him and name money now. Me use it. See? And when me use it, him and then the pressure me see him and thing, you know. Me just run back them food. And then say, yo, no, so me I go want it. He sang them with the same way, rare this and that. Everything me do. But I collect no money for no man. Because a bam, link up home if you link up and do what me have to do. I saw it thing go. You see, if you and I make me know straight up say, yo, you go on and on with you. You know, say right now, me go try to do the song them for you. Me go link that them and me not get them the energy there. Me I tell you straight up.
No, we don't. Me tell you, want me tell you say. No, with it, you want me tell us that here, you know, say, with it, you know, say, we fuck up the money, and, yeah, and they go run back his song, and that's you want me tell you. I mean, I tell you for months now, I'm not going to tell you that video. I mean, I be real with you on the phone, that's why I'm voice note this morning. You never meet it up on my voice.
Alright, so you see this, me have to go look for the other audio. It's the other one, now, where we talk about the money again, and he said to me, say, how we are going to work out this year? Because him can't pay back that the money there and say,
why him can't pay back the money? Him tell you?
Like him I say, boy, I don't know, him fuck up your money and I say, yo, why you me give me money?
This is not a good look if something go like this.